I found this cross at the Dollar Tree, and what I'm about to make, I did see on Pinterest, and I just had to do it. I knew I had all the supplies, and I'm going to paint my cross in white. I normally don't use a large roller like this, but I had just finished using it on another project. And I also found this box at the Dollar Tree, and I removed the bow that was glued. And I'm going to use the heat from my blow dryer to get that little bit of glue up with a razor blade. And I'm going to paint this white as well. I did the sides and the bottom. I have these 4 beads that I put on a art brush just to help me keep them together, and I painted all 4 in black. Then I'm going to glue them on either corner of my box. And then I'm going to take that roller and just do the top of the box and just a little bit inside the box. I didn't go all the way through the entire inside because you're not going to see it. I took a small piece of cardboard and I'm going to draw a face of a sheep. And then I'm going to fold the cardboard in half and then cut it out so both sides are perfectly even. And then I'm going to paint this black as well. I'm going to take a little bit of black and go through the slats of my box just to bring interest to my project. Then I'm going to paint 2 white eyes on my sheep face. I'm going to take jute and I'm going to crisscross it on my cross and tie it in the back. I'm going to glue my sheep's face on the left side of my box and put a jute bow on the top of its head. I'm going to take a piece of floral foam, and I found this bouquet either at Hobby Lobby or Michael's, and I'm going to take sprays from it with the purple flower and stick it in my floral foam going across the back of my box. Then I'm going to take this little plastic bag and fill it inside my box and then put moss on top of that. You can get moss at the Dollar Tree or most craft stores. I'm going to set my cross inside my box and then glue a flower in the hole that had the hanger. And I found these stickers at the Dollar Tree. You're going to want to find ones that have letters and numbers. And I'm going to take the letters off and write out the word Psalm. And I am using some glue on my stickers just to make sure that they adhere fully. And I put Psalm 23 across the front of my box. Then I'm going to take 1-hour enamel clear and give a top coat on my stickers, and I'm going to top coat the face of my sheep. Then I'm going to add this red heart on my box, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com.